Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Erik's Graphics. In today's video I want to share with you a template you can use to illustrate the climb to success and performing a SWOT analysis at the same time. It's a pretty simple template based on the metaphor of climbing Mount Everest. Use this template for a strategy workshop, a planning workshop for a project, or a brainstorm workshop of how to improve your performance. Again, it's a super easy metaphor and super easy to draw. Welcome to Erik's Graphics. I am Erik, and my mission is to make business feel more heartfelt. If you haven't met before, I'm Erik. I'm the host of Erik's Graphics. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. I welcome any questions or comments. I will respond. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell button next to the subscribe button. It will notify you of any new videos I'm making. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. I'm really excited about today's video because we're going to cover one of the templates that I use the most. It is the metaphor for climbing Mount Everest. So this metaphor is really handy for a strategy meeting where we're sitting all together, we're trying to figure out how to achieve a certain goal. This metaphor is also really handy when you're doing a planning meeting for a project where it isn't very clear yet what the plan forward is. So when you sit together with your team, you can actually discuss what the first deliverable we want to get done, or what the second deliverable that we want to get done, or how do we get to the final deliverable. This metaphor is also very handy when it comes to performance improvement of a team when you set out a goal for the rest of the year. Using this metaphor, we can collaborate together to make a plan to achieve that final goal. So just running real quickly what the components are of the metaphor. Number one, we've got Mount Everest, which represents the effort that lies ahead. Number two, we've got people, which represents the team. Number three, we've got the sun, which are opportunities outside of the circle of control of the team. Number four, the wind, which are risks outside the circle of control of the team. Number five, we've got backpacks, which are weights, anchors, signifying weaknesses of the team, holding them back. Number six, climbing tools, which represent the strengths of the team. Number seven, the intermediate base camps, which are the deliverables or stages. And then finally number eight, the final stretch, just to add some fun detail to the metaphor. So we're going to start drawing. Some small details for the mountain. What I like to do is to draw a small peak, an intermediate peak, and a top peak. I add a snow line to the peaks, and I put a flag in on top to signify the goal or destination. Important is that you make it big so it covers the whole flip chart. So now some details on the people. And all I want to say on the people is keep it simple. These are just some ovals, half ovals actually, with a circle on top. Take your time to draw the circles. What you want to do is make sure that the circles and the ovals, that they touch each other. Keep them rather large to give the impression that they are closer to the person or the attendees of the meeting. Extra points if you write the name of the team just below the people. Now, let's draw the sun, just 1/4, and feel free to write sun underneath it. And it's the same for the wind. To draw the wind, just add 3 lines and add a whirl to the top and bottom line. And feel free also to just write down wind. Now for the backpack, again, just keep it simple because we're just going to draw some squares on the back of the people. And feel free just to write weight. Now for the tool, I propose we just draw a big ice axe. And of course you can write here tool, or what I usually do, I write ice axe. Now we're coming to the base camps, and you're going to draw as many base camps as the number of deliverables or stages you are considering. And these base camps are super easy, quick draw tents. I'm going to show you how to draw these tents. We're drawing 2 concentric circles. You close them, you add a back piece and you close that. And there we go, you have a tent. And then you can reproduce these tents as many times as you need. In my example, I'm just going to add 3 base camps. Voila. Make sure that you give it an appropriate name, each base camp, so people understand which stage or deliverable you are talking about. I'm just going to write here generically name 1, name 2, and name 3. Now for the final stretch, here I'm going to draw the people climbing the final stretch to reach the summit. So you're going to draw the people vertically instead of horizontally like you did here. And you're going to draw them a bit smaller because in fact they're further away from the audience. Make sure that you don't draw the people too far away from the slope. Otherwise they might get unusually long legs. There you go, we just add some legs that touch the mountain. Now we're going to add some easy arms, just like that, just some lines. And that will hold on to the rope. And we're going to finish off by drawing the rope, starting from the summit, connecting the hands and then dropping straight vertically down after connecting with the lost hand. And of course, very optional, you can write final stretch. Okay, just to finish off the drawing, we're going to frame the whole metaphor, add some shadow and some color. Voila, that's the framing. Let's add some color. There we go. Even make them into arrows if you want. And then we can add some details. Let's color the backpacks. Let's color the ice axe. And the flag. Now, to add some shadow. Choose one side and make a corner. Voila. 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 Mountain. And then don't forget the frame. Voila. And there you have it, the metaphor. So I just want to do a quick recap. A big drawing of the mountain filling the whole flip chart. Add the sun and the wind as a metaphor for opportunities and risks. Then add simple backpacks to signify the weight, the tool or the ice axe to signify the strengths. Add the base camps for the intermediate deliverables or stages, and the final stretch over here. So just to make sure that you understand how to use this metaphor, during the meeting you can start by defining which are the intermediate base camps or the immediate deliverables or stages, and then you can start the discussion about what is holding us back from climbing the mountain, what is going to help us climb the mountain, that's what fits with the ice axe, what are opportunities we might spot, and what are the risks we might spot. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it is of value to you. If you like this video, please leave a like and a comment. Feel free to share this video with your peers. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it. You'll get notified of new videos I'm posting. See you soon. Bye.